Hey guys, I'm Josh Kaufman with Everglades Equipment Group. Today we're going to talk about Equipment Mobile. So Equipment Mobile is an app through your mobile device, or you can even access it on the web, that is everything to do with your piece of John Deere equipment that you purchased from Everglades. When you buy a new machine, you create your account within Equipment Mobile, associate your machine with that account, and then you have access to all kinds of information specific to you about that machine. One of the big things is access to your operator's manual. It's right at your fingertips. You can reference anything needed for your machine. You can also set up a maintenance schedule. You can track your hours and your usage within that system so that you can always be ahead of any maintenance that's coming up, or as things are getting more and more digital, you're able to see them right from your phone. You know, another thing, if you have a parts need or a service need, you have the specific serial numbers of your machines available. From the Equipment Mobile app, you can actually access very specific to you parts diagrams so that you can look up and even order the correct parts needed for your machine, whether that be for maintenance, or if you're more of a do-it-yourselfer than others, even to do some of those smaller repairs that you can do on your own before bringing them to us. With Equipment Mobile, to update appropriately, your machine needs to be connected to JDLink. That way it unlocks your current hours and all of the equipment information far beyond what just manually keying in the data will show you. If your machine is a connected machine with JDLink, it will also transmit any trouble codes or problems with the machine. It'll transmit that to you, and you'll get an alert based off of your settings so that you can stay on top of taking care of your machines. So another huge benefit from Equipment Mobile is it connects directly with us, your dealer, as you set that up. With that, you can access us through a text from the app itself, and we can quickly jump on that with our staff. We do have staff standing by that are answering those, looking at those every hour during business hours. And then first thing in the morning, if you contact us late enough in the evening, that we're done for the day. But we're absolutely behind you and taking care of your equipment through the Equipment Mobile app.